What is up? I think I just saw my next project. Vlad's doing a little wash on it because it's sitting outside for a couple months. It's been kind of on the back burner, but guess what we got? That was an 11 Porsche 911 front end accident. Little side swipe. Went off-roading somewhere, looks like a lot of dirt.
Off the road into the ditch.
Decided to go off-road on a Turbo S. I don't recommend that.
Lost control.
Pretty much this car, we're gonna repaint the whole entire car. There's several damage areas, front, rear, sides, and then it's got scratches all the way around, so it's gonna be another complete paint job. Vlad got everything situated. He repaired everything that needed to be repaired, so now it's time for me to do my magic. Everything's ready to get primered and prepped for paint, so we're gonna start doing that. All right, so first things first, we'll prep this area. We'll block it with 320, go over it with 600. Then I'll apply my rock chip protector along here. And then while that's drying, I'm gonna get the car in the spray booth, and then we're gonna paint this section right here. We'll paint it up to here. So we'll paint the inner jamb, that way we can throw the door and fender back on. So. So here's our undercoating applicator gun. It's made by U-POL, and this is what we'll be using. It's an undercoating by Gravitex Plus, also made by U-POL. So pretty much it's a one part. You don't have to mix it with anything. Insert into here, and you spray it right out of the bottle. So first I'm gonna go spray my test panels. Make sure I have the right setting, because you can adjust this knob either in or out, and then that'll vary how what your texture looks like. All right, I think we got set up. Okay, now that our undercoating is ready and dry, we can move on to the inner jambs. And we're also gonna shoot some base coat here, and then a little bit of clear coat. It's gonna be all hidden, but we just wanna put some color on there so it looks original. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna mask the car up, save you guys the boring part. 3, 2, 1, boom. The car is masked up. I got my spray gun loaded. I cleaned the car up, so we're ready to shoot our base coat. Porsche got primered yesterday, so we're gonna prep the quarter, the roof, and the front. We had already prepped the car, so it's ready to go. We'll just prep these primered areas, and we'll get her in the booth. Turbo S is finally prepped, cleaned, and ready to go. It's time to start masking. This is the fun part. So everything's looking good, and we used the super dark black primer for this one. So in that way, you don't have to put too much base coat to get our coverage. Everything's already all uniform. We don't have any burn throughs or metal showing, so we're not gonna put any sealer, just gonna go straight to base coat. We'll do our 2 coats plus a control coat, and we'll be ready to shoot clear. That's our process, that's gonna be our steps. So first things first, mask it up, and then we'll be ready to spray. This is gonna take me a little bit, so let me get to it. Our Porsche 911 Turbo S is finally painted. It's looking beautiful. I love it. Time to unmask the car and get it out of the spray booth. But first, let's take a look and see how it turned out. So we're gonna end part one of our video here. Everything got painted on the body. So now it's left to do is paint all the rest of the parts, which is the bumpers, the trunk, and all the little trim pieces. So stay tuned for part two. In part two, we're gonna paint the rest of it and reveal how it looks once it's put together and ready to go. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and comment below. Also, if you're new to the channel and you like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any new videos. So that is gonna be it for today. See you guys in the next one.